Wanda Media, aka Wanda Pictures, is a Chinese film production company and distributor. It is a subsidiary of Wanda Group, which is responsible for the development, investment, production, and other film and TV related business. It is the largest Chinese private film production company and was founded in 2010. Wanda Media is owned by Wanda Group, which was founded in 1988. Wanda Pictures has the highest box office takings of any private company in China and invests in more than 10 films each year. Their main goals are commercial properties, culture, and finance. Two largest entertainment industry overseas acquisitions is the $3.5 billion invested in Legendary Entertainment and $2.6 billion in AMC theaters. They have the world's only indoor film theme park called Wanda Movie Park in Wuhan. They have the world's largest cinema chain operator with over 500 cinemas. Wanda is known for its investment in global screens, global theaters, hotels, and plazas. Their film holdings currently include Legendary Entertainment, Wanda Pictures, Wuzhou International, Wanda Cinemas, AMC Theaters, Hoyts, which is an Australian cinema group, Odeon, which is Europe's biggest cinema group. Wanda Media owns other companies, mainly cinema companies, as a source of income. They also produce their own films and supply a place for other studios to make films. In April 2018, Wanda Studios opened the largest film studio in the world in Qingdao, a coastal city of China. Their brand new $8 billion venture offers 30 sound stages, 24 workshops for special effects, costumes, and set production. They have 2 water tanks for water filming as well as an office space. This studio also offers a comprehensive package that drives cost savings across all areas of production. All services are tailored to suit individual production and are customizable. They aim to ease concerns related to tax, immigration, banking, and union negotiations. A rebate has been offered to those who film there, saying filmmakers can earn about 40% back of what they paid to film. An article by Rob Kane of Forbes magazine quotes that the Qingdao studio is a bust. He says that no one has ever heard of Qingdao and it is like the Eureka, Kansas of China. When the chairman of Wanda Group, Wang Jianlin, first spoke of this project, listeners did not believe they would earn anything close to that amount of rebate if they chose to film in that location. Since that has opened, no one from outside of China has inquired to film in Qingdao. China is lucky in that it is now the second largest box office in the world. They don't have the issue of people not wanting to go to the movies. If we're talking about local market, Wanda Studios produces Chinese films for their own country. A lot of them are action-adventure or sci-fi and include titles like Love is a Broadway Hit, Detective Chinatown 1 and 2, The Fairy Master, and Go Away, Mr. Toomer. The market for AMC theaters are ages 12 to 24, as those are the ages of people who enjoy going to the movie theater. The type of content Legendary Entertainment puts out is most of the time rated PG-13 or higher, which cuts down on that movie-going market. When discussing film production, Wanda likes to appeal to filmmakers. This is one of the reasons behind their giant film studio that just opened in Qingdao. They want to compete with Hollywood with large-scale soundstages, sets, and water tanks. But so far, like I said, nobody from outside of China has inquired about filming there. A short SWOT analysis will tell us the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of Wanda. A strength of Wanda is that they have acquired many major cinema companies in 4 continents. This not only adds to their revenue, but gives them an insight on which films are being shown in which theaters throughout most of the world. A weakness is that the Qingdao Studios has not brought in any foreign film ventures when that is a big part of their market and what they're trying to appeal to. An opportunity that comes from this same situation is that they can focus on their home base in China and generate revenue nationally and create content for China. A threat would be Hollywood. Luckily, the way the world works now is with a lot of different studios to cater to different styles and tastes in film. Because Wanda owns a few American companies, their competition spans far beyond the boundaries of their own country. They are the biggest production company in China and therefore have seen some successes at the box office. If another huge studio opened in China, the competition would be much more fierce because the products would be similar and the employees might question their loyalty to Wanda and maybe switch over to the new company. One big competitor in China is the Shanghai Film Group studio. In America, there is much more competition. Along with Legendary Entertainment, there are many studios in America among the same scale of product quality and size of company. They compete for shooting locations, employees, and film ideas. A competitor of Legendary is Spyglass Entertainment. Wanda Media is owned by their parent company, Wanda Group, whose chairman is Wang Jianlin. He founded Wanda Group in 1988 and was the wealthiest person in China from 2015 to 2017. The CEO of Wanda Studios is Alvin Fu. Josh Grode is the CEO of Legendary Pictures, and Adam Aaron is the CEO of AMC Theaters. Through some research, I discovered that Wanda Film is on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange rather than the New York Stock Exchange, and its symbol is 002739.SZ, Wanda Film, and a piece of their stock is worth 52.04 Chinese yen, which converts to $7.84 USD. I would like to work for Wanda Media, but I think I should probably learn Chinese first. I would think it'd be an honor to work for any major motion picture company. Living in China would be an experience, and I am open to that. I had never heard of Wanda Media before it was assigned to Troy and then to me. They had seemed intriguing, and I'm glad I was able to learn all this information about an abroad production company. What I learned most about them was that all the companies intertwined with them. They are part of a huge conglomerate and also own several U.S. companies. I think what Art has been talking a lot about are overseas markets, which has really got me thinking that it is something I'd be very interested in. If you would like more information, especially about the Qingdao Studios, you can visit their website, wandastudios.com.